Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not uploading on YouTube. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of not uploading on YouTube, you should just go to settings. In the first you can go to apps and you will enter to YouTube. You will click on this page here and you will enter. Then you can click on for stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.